Hello students, welcome to Maths Vidya channel. I am Vidya Nikam. Today we are going to discuss very important questions of 4 marks which have been asked many times in examination, in MSBT examination. So this is the question in front of you. First question is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equals to, we have to prove this thing, sin square a minus sin square b, which is asked in winter 17 examination for 4 marks. So to solve this question, we will begin with the LHS here. So LHS, I will write sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Now in the last lecture we have studied already a compound angle formula. We have this formula, sin of a plus b will be equals to, we know that sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. This is the formula. And for minus, formula is sin of a minus b is equals to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. So for these two terms I will write these two formula. So LHS will be equals to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. I can write this is the value of this thing, okay, sin of a plus b into sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Now if you observe, this is in the plus and this is minus. So if I notice a plus b into a minus b के फॉर्म में ये दोनों टर्म्स, this is a, this is b, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, हाँ तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, a square minus b square we can write. So our example becomes sin a into cos b its square minus cos a into sin b its square. Okay. Now here two terms are there, so I can write sin square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. दोनों टर्म्स का हमने यहाँ पर स्क्वायर ले लिया. Now we have solved this example up to this state now, but if you observe, answer is only in sin term. Okay, so यहाँ पर ये cos और ये cos की जगह पे हमें कुछ sin की टर्म्स डालनी पड़ेगी. तो एक फॉर्मूला हमारे पास, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to क्या होता है 1. So what I can write, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So this formula, if I write for this term, I will write sin square a cos square b को हम क्या लिखेंगे 1 minus sin square b minus cos square a को क्या लिखेंगे 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Now solve this further. Sin a will be multiplied here. So sin square a into 1 is sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b minus, now this sin square b will be multiplied here. So minus, it becomes sin square b, and then minus minus it becomes plus sin square a into sin square b. If you observe here, this is in the plus and this is in the minus. So plus minus it becomes 0, and what I can write here, sin square a minus sin square b. In this way we can solve the question of 4 marks. Write down this. In the similar way, we can solve this question also. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, its value is equals to cos square a minus sin square b. like we have done last example, you should solve this example in the similar way. You solve this question at home. This is task for you. We will take next question here. This is again important question from the point of view of our examination. Now to solve this question, 4 into sin a into sin of 60 minus a into sin of 60 plus a is equals to sin 3a we have to prove. Now to solve this example, we will observe LHS here. If you observe LHS, this is a minus b into a plus b के फॉर्म में है. तो अभी एक एग्जाम्पल किया था हमने, वो एग्जाम्पल है sin of a minus b into sin of a plus b रहा. Then what I can write, sin square a minus sin square b. Just now we have done this question, we have proved this thing. Okay, तो ये फॉर्मूला अगर ये दोनों टर्म्स के लिए यूज करेंगे तो दिस बिकम्स, LHS becomes 4 into sin a. Now this becomes sin square 60 minus sin square a in this way. Okay, now it is equals to 4 sin a into the bracket. Now what is the value of sin 60 degree? It is root 3 by 2. So write down its value, root 3 by 2 minus sin square a. Now multiply this 4 sin a here and it should be a bracket square. Now 4 sin a, I will first simplify this term 3 by 4 because root 3 square is 3 by 4 minus sin square a. Now multiply this term here, so it will multiply to both the terms. Okay, so 4 sin a into 3 by 4 minus 4 sin a into sin square a. 4 gets cancelled, we get 3 sin a minus 4. Now this is sin a into sin square, it becomes sin cube a, and this is nothing but formula of sin of 3a. In this way we have solved this important question. Note down. This is similar kind of question. Now here also we are going to use one property. This property I will use cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b is there. Then we can write cos square a minus sin square b. This property I am going to use here. So it is equals to, now LHS becomes 4 cos a into the bracket I can write. Now this identity if you use in this question, so it becomes cos square 60 minus sin square a. Now what is the value of cos 60? We should learn this value. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So 4 into cos a, and instead of cos 60 I will write 1 by 2 its square minus sin square a. Now further if you solve this, 4 cos a into the bracket 1 by 4 minus sin square a. Now we know that cos 3a we have to prove, so this sin is not allowed here because sin के टर्म में तो आंसर चाहिए ही नहीं हुए. So sin square a के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 minus cos square a. I can write, I am going to use this formula for sin square a. So 4 cos a into the bracket 1 by 4 minus 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a की वैल्यू ये पूरा टर्म है. Now if you solve this question further, 4 cos a into the bracket 1 by 4 minus 1 minus minus becomes plus cos square A. Now if we cross multiply this, we get 4 cos A into the bracket 4 into 1 is 4, 1 minus 4 divided by 4 plus cos square A. Simplify this, it is equals to 4 cos A into the bracket 1 minus 4, it gives you minus 3. So minus 3 by 4 plus cos square A. Now multiply this term here, we get 4 cos A minus 3 by 4 plus 4 cos A into cos square A. What we have done, just multiply to the both the terms. Now 4 gets cancelled, we get minus 3 cos A plus 4. Now this becomes cos cube A, and I can write 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A I can write, and this is nothing but formula of cos of 3B. In this way we can solve this type of question. If you observe, in this lecture we have done example, similar type of example for sine, cos, and now this is for tan. Now cos or sine के question में क्या था कि we have already one property, but for tan we do not have any property, but we have formula for tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. So I can write first of all tan a into, now here I will use tan of a minus b's formula. So tan a minus b का formula क्या है? I will write here. We know that tan of a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is formula for minus, and likewise for tan of a plus b I can write tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Once you know the formula, you can solve the question. So learn all the formula first of all and then practice the questions. So tan of 60 minus a के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? Tan of 60 minus tan of a divided by 1 plus tan of 60 into tan a. Similarly for this term, we will expand by using this. So tan of 60 plus tan of a divided by 1 minus tan of 60 into tan a. This way. Now tan 60's value is, tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So I will write this value tan of a into the bracket tan 60 is root 3 minus tan a divided by 1 plus root 3 into tan a. Similarly put here also root 3 plus tan a upon 1 minus root 3 into tan a I can write. Okay, we have just used formula. Now if you observe here, this sign is, this term is having minus sign and this is in plus. So we have this formula a minus b into a plus b if there, then I can write a square minus b square. So for this it becomes root 3 square. This is in the minus and this is in the plus. So first term square minus second term square minus tan square a. Similarly in the denominator also same case is there. So 1 square minus root 3 into tan a whole square I can write, and out of the bracket there is tan A written. Now simplify this. Tan A into the bracket root 3 square is 3 minus tan square A divided by 1 square is 1 minus root 3 का square क्या है 3 and into tan square A I can write. Further multiply this tan A to the numerator only. Numerator को multiply करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें 3 tan A. Okay, 3 tan A. This tan A is multiplied here, and tan A into tan square A becomes tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A, and this is formula for tan of 3A. So in this simple question, this is a question and we have used many concepts. First of all, you should know all the formula: tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B. We should know tan of 60 degrees value, and we should know this basic formula is for this question. Write down this. Now this is the question which has been asked many times in examination. Important question है. कैसे सॉल्व करना है? यहाँ पर अगर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो sin 4 थीटा एंगल इज गिवन टू अस एंड हियर आल्सो 4 थीटा, बट आंसर भी रिक्वायर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ tan ऑफ 2 थीटा. तो हमें ये सब 4 थीटा को किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? दैट इज 2 थीटा में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव दिस फॉर्मूला. व्हाट आई कैन डू हियर, sin ऑफ 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. ओके, साइन 2 थीटा के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. सो सिमिलरली फॉर साइन ऑफ 4 थीटा आई कैन राइट, नाउ हियर इज द डबल एंगल, इट बिकम्स हाफ. सो 4 थीटा का हाफ क्या होगा? इट कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 2 थीटा and its formula will be 2 into sin of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta in this way. Okay, तो sin 4 theta का formula ये हो जाएगा. Similarly 1 plus cos of 4 theta. So first of all what I will do, I will just write down LHS here. Sin of 4 theta plus sin of 2 theta divided by, now this 4 theta I will write here, 1 plus cos of 4 theta plus cos of 2 theta. Okay, so ये पार्ट हमने किसके लिए सॉल्व किया? साइन ऑफ 4 थीटा के लिए. अभी हमें ये वाला पार्ट अगर करना है सिंप्लीफाई तो क्या करेंगे? पहले तो इसकी वैल्यू लिख देते हैं. साइन ऑफ 4 थीटा की वैल्यू क्या है? 2 साइन 2 थीटा इंटू कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा प्लस साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय, now for this we have one formula, 1 plus cos of 2 theta का formula है हमारे पास. क्या है ये formula? It is equals to 2 times cos square theta, means here is the twice angle, it becomes its half. So similarly if I write cos of 4 theta, it becomes 2 into cos square of 2 theta. So for this term we get this value, I will put here. So 2 into cos square 2 theta plus cos of 2 theta. Now if you observe this question easily, you can find out that sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta is common in each term. Okay, and here also cos of 2 theta is common. So what I will do here, I will just take out sin 2 theta from numerator common. Okay, so what term remains here? 2 remains and cos of 2 theta. काय करणार मी? sin of 2 theta कॉमन काढणार आहे. तर आतमध्ये काय आहे? 2 cos of 2 theta आणि इथे sin 2 theta बाहेर आहे म्हणून इथे काय लिहिणार आहे? 1 कॉमन घेतो आपण sin of 2 theta. सिमिलरली डिनॉमिनेटरला काय कॉमन घेता येईल आपल्याला? cos 2 theta इथे पण आहे आणि इथे पण आहे. सो cos of 2 theta इंटू द ब्रॅकेट, इथे स्क्वेअर होता म्हणजे एक cos 2 थीटा राहील. 2 इंटू cos ऑफ 2 थीटा प्लस 1, इथे दोन्ही टर्म्स सिमिलर आहे कॅन्सल होईल साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा upon cos of 2 theta, and this we all know sin upon cos as to tan, so it is tan of 2 theta we can write. So in this way this important question can be solved. हा क्वेश्चन इम्पॉर्टंट याच्यासाठी की आपल्याला थ्रू आउट कशाचा यूज करायचा आहे, मल्टिपल अँगल फॉर्म्युलाचा यूज करायचा आहे. अँगल जो 2 थीटासाठी आहे तोच फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला 4 थीटासाठी यूज करायचा आहे. ओके, सो इन दिस वे या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सगळे इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन घेतले 4 मार्क्सचे. जर तुम्हाला हे व्हिडिओ आवडत असतील तर प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर